This is a 2011 GMC Acadia. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a sunroof, driver and passenger cooled seats, a power rear liftgate, a CD player, interior wood trim accents, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, OnStar, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 13,000 miles on the odometer. This GMC has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.